Hello, I'm Thomas, and this is my linear programming project. So today I will be showing you how to correctly complete a linear program problem. So in front of me I have an example about a diner selling hot dogs and pizzas. So a diner sells pizzas and hot dogs. For the diner to profit, it has to sell 10 pizzas, but it can't make more than 40. It must also sell at least 30 hot dogs, but can't make more than 70. The diner cannot make more than 90 items. To profit on pizzas are 33 cents and hot dogs are 21 cents. How many of each item should it sell to make max profit? So we can start this problem off by making pizzas X and hot dogs Y. Now, once we have pizzas and hot dogs as X and Y, we can now take the maximum and minimum of the pizzas and hot dogs that can be made. So for pizza, there can be 10 as the minimum and 40 as the maximum. Then for hot dogs, it can be 30 for the minimum and 70 for the maximum. Then the diner cannot make more than 90 items. So total items is pizzas plus hot dogs is less than 90. So from here on, we can start graphing it. Now to start graphing, we can take what we have over here and graph it. So for pizzas, we know X starts at 10. So we can take out our ruler and make a line around 10 on the X plane, which as you can see, I labeled pizza. Then, also on the X plane, we see that it's also 40. So we go around to 40, just around there. And we make another line all the way up. It's kind of a mess up, but it'll do. Then we take the hot dogs, which we see is 30 on the Y plane. You can see it labeled hot dogs. So we go about to 30. And we take our ruler. And boom. Now, for hot dogs, it's also 70. So we go up all the way to 70, just around there. Boom. So now we have a box, but there's also one more line that we can draw on here, which is total items. Now to figure out the total item line, we find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And to do this, we can set y to 0, which will give us x is less than or equals 90. And then, after we do that, we can set y, or x, to 0, and then y would equal 90. So we can put 90 up here, 90 down here. Let me draw a nice big line to 90 to 90. And that is all of our lines that we need. Now, we can take our A point, B point, C point, D point, and E point. So right here will be our A, right here will be our B, Down here will be our C, that will be our D, and this will be our E. Now that we have all 5 points, we can write out the points. So A is 1070, B is 2070, C is 4050, D is 4030, and E is 1030. Now that we have all of our points, we can go back to the profit. So you can see profit on pizzas is 33 cents and hot dogs is 21 cents. So we can make profit P equals 33x or 0.33x plus 0.21y, and that is our profit. Now we can plug in these numbers to the profit and we can find out the maximum profit that we need. And we know at this point that it's going to be somewhere in this box. So now we plug in 10 to x, 70 to y. I already did all of this, so this will equal $18. This will equal 21.30 cents. This will equal 23.70 cents. And this will equal 19.50. And this will equal 9.60. So out of all 5 of these numbers, we can tell that 23.70 is the biggest number, which would mean that is the maximum profit that the diner can get from selling. So now we can look at 40 and 50. So that means for the diner to get max profit, it must sell 40 pizzas and 50 hot dogs to get the most money possible. And that is linear programming.